And now I'm working on a GE washer, and it's a washer dryer set, so I will be moving on to the dryer here in just a little bit. But this washer seems to be working great so far. It has got a full load of towels and jeans, and it filled up just fine. I'm working on cleaning it now. Of course, if there are any touch-ups that need to be done, but right now we're just going over the mechanical side, and all of these knobs and everything are working perfectly. So far so good. Has perfect operation. So we'll keep going with it as it drains and then does the final spin cycle. We'll come back for that. And now it is draining, and it's going to move along into the next cycle, which is going to be a rinse. Okay, we are on the actual rinse cycle here. It's got a good strong agitation, so it has already filled up, washed, drained, filled up again, and now it is rinsing out all the soap. And then the next thing will be the drain and final spin. So here we go. Here it's draining. Good, and that lid switch works real good. Okay, and here we go on the final spin. And I always do a very heavy load of jeans and towels and a couple of regular garment pieces too. And that's running really well. There's no shaking. My hand might be a little shaky, but the machine is not shaking at all. Sounds good. Very smooth. Excellent. Okay, and it should be just about done with this final spin cycle. I always like to pull the lid and let it stop and then force it to restart and go back up to full speed all over again. And I did that, so it should be just about done. And the last thing we'll check was pull out some of those clothes and ensure that they are spun all the water out of them correctly. Still sounds real good. It's real smooth. It is a very heavy load. We'll give it just another minute here. Okay, and it has stopped. We'll go ahead and grab a pair of these jeans. Yeah, those are nice and light. There's no extra or excess water in any of these clothes here. Okay, excellent. All right, this one is good to go. So we'll get on to the dryer, get it fixed up, and we'll have this one listed here shortly. All right, I've got a GE dryer I'm working on here, and it is running. I'm gonna shut it down. Start it up. Runs good, heats good. I'm gonna use my little heat gun here to show you the internal temperature. So the outside temperature is about 60, 69, 70. So we will go ahead on the inside here. Just shoot that in there so you can see it's about 100 degrees. Kind of depends on where you shoot it. 120. The heating element is actually back in there, so it's a little warmer back in there. But as you see, it's working good, heating good, and runs good. No problems at all. We're going to go ahead and toss a full load in there and let it run. I've already run one full load through. I always like to run a few through just to make sure it continues to work good. So this one is in excellent shape, and we've already done the washers, so we'll be getting these listed up. I'm going to do a little touching up and cleaning on this still, and then we'll be ready to rock on it. Thanks. And I thought I'd just go ahead and shoot it with a full load of clothes in there. So sounds great. Running great. Man, full load. It's actually a really full load of clothes. So I'm going to go ahead and let that dry. It's good to go. Thanks.